Yung hash-based, una kong hash-based advanced breakthrough compression program, hindi yun mas mabilis sa yata sa recursive compression program ko na 50% lang. Hindi nasolve ko lang, napabilis lang ulit. Kaya yung dalawang lang na yan ang kumbaga naglalaban sa compression ratio and speed. Very fast speeds, extremely fast speeds in compressing files. And then integer compression, mga solve ko rin Yun din gagamitin mo, mga techniques mo previously sa RDC2 and hash-based. And then recursive compression program, compression algorithms. Kasi meron, pagka nasolve mo na yung RDC2, pwede mo na isolusyon ko na, pwede mo na gamitin na sa other compression algorithms or techniques. Yung nga yung mga upgrades ko, mga updates ko sa solution ko sa RDC2, gumagamit pa rin pala ng sorting. Di ba realize na nagsasort pa rin pala yung algorithm? May sorting pala. Pwede mong iba-ibahin pagka tuloy-tuloy ka sa pag-isip ng mga variants mo sa mga new advanced algorithms mo discovered. So, solve po yan. Ibig ko nga sabihin, I was telling the truth nga na I own Microsoft and Facebook in the 1970s. Yun nga yung proofs na in 2007, 2008, may emails talaga, C source codes, plus binary exif files. Yun ang proofs na I was genius kid in the 1970s. And meron nga that time talagang Z-standard compression program na nalala ko from the 1970s namin in the early 80s. And the 2007-2008 and also to 2009 that I continued emailing, meron nga akong data compression programs, advanced algorithms nga, breakthroughs nga data compression algorithms that time. Emailed nga with C source codes and binary exif files. Yan lang, sabihin ng America and other groups, tech companies, marami akong in-emails na groups, hindi lang isang company. Kasi hindi nagre-respond Dapat magre-respond lang agad mag-reply lang ayos na. Pero I was thinking properly logically, and it must be emailed or disseminated to many scientists. Yun nga, pati una nga NASA and ESA, sabihin mo And then the tech companies, Microsoft, Google, Intel, IBM. Then I also emailed computer data storage companies, antivirus companies like AVG, Avast, and also emailed archiving companies before. Nag-offer nga na zip compression like PZip, WinRAR. Also emailed WinZip, I think, WinZip team. Dahil sa discovery of a breakthrough compression algorithm, related dyan ng entropy, discovery about entropy. Nung ko pa kasi dyan, 1970s. Kasi it's also connected to data encryption. The entropy of English text, not only English text, but any file. We analyze nila from that point of view, entropy ng Windows.com files, Windows exif files, and also what we termed, maybe that time, maybe we termed it as natural entropy ng mga pictures. Plants, pictures ng plants, photos ng plants, lahat. Trees, any pictures, mountains, natural, animals, creatures. May entropy yan, sabi namin. Pero technically, I wasn't concerned about that. Yung entropy nga sa text files nga, ciphertext, text files, being encrypted, and then in ciphertext nga, it can be analyzed mathematically with the knowledge of entropy of English text. And in digital files, entropy niyan, digital files of different formats, document formats, na gamit nga ng computer, modern computing industry. All kinds of files, image formats, audio formats, and files, documents, may mga entropy yan, calculate ng entropy yan. Kumbaga, halimbawa, may mga HTML tags yan, may metadata yan, may file headers yan, and then file headers lang yan, there's a document, readable document officially ng mga file processing programs. May entropy yan. Adobe format, lahat, anong klase, Linux files, Word documents, PDF, at PDF, may entropy yan, calculatable. Kaya yun yung concern ko, naalala ulit. Alam naman ng iba yan, pero with my data compression programs, with those data compression programs, with my advanced discovered advanced breakthrough data compression algorithms, entropy can be has a new understanding, new level of understanding for the scientists and mathematicians. To those who didn't know about those new advanced compression algorithms from me. Kaya ini-email ko rin ng mga about that. Because almost suddenly, the security of the internet is vulnerable, not secure. Meaning decodable, decryptable, crackable, it can be broken, it can be cracked. Security or encryption ng internet pages or files traveling through the internet, security by internet data networks companies as internet servers na encrypted ang communications nga files, all data traveling through them, data networks. Kaya mini-message ko rin ang ganyan. But I was, of course, it's about big money to me. I was expecting hundreds of $millions on those new breakthrough compression algorithms. Ang sabi ko, actually on Facebook Actually on Facebook. Kung on Facebook, sabi ko 1970s. And I knew we had C standard already. And then yun nga, sabi ko, meron ko C standard din. Pinangalanan ko C standard .exe, ang isang compression program ko napadala sa kanila sa Facebook. I can't remember kung may ANS yun, Symmetric Numeral Systems, Finite State Entropy. Naalala ko na nga yan, dalawang yan, ANS and Finite State Entropy. Pero ngayon, right now, I can't remember it again. That time, 2007, 2008, 2009, kumbaga I was fully concentrated in my thinking, in my programming. It's very clear to me. Hindi ko kasi pinangalanan talagang Gerald Tamayo, mga source code ko. Pinangalanan ko pero dinilit ko nga. Dinilit ko sa email ko. Sa Gmail ko, dinilit ko. Kasi yan na rin ang gamit ko. Email accounts. Yung ibang padala ko, isang company sa NASA or NSA, sa NSA lang yun. Meron yata sa NSA, sa kanila lang Pinadala ko and then, i-delete ko yan sa Gmail account ko. Sa Gmail, Gmail app ko. Sa kumbaga sa sent box ko, i-delete ko. Deleted na, pati sa trash folder. Deleted. So, wala nang access doon. Pati sa computer ko, sa hard disk ko, deleted ko rin. So, kumbaga, sa NSA lang talaga yun, napadala. Unless, yung nga nangyari yata, few days after, i-remember ko yung algorithm na, i-write ko ulit. develop ulit source code.